Well, as you can imagine, we do lots of roof repairs, and a lot of the time I get people phone me up and say, look, we've had our roof repaired and it's still leaking, and we've lost heart with the roofers. They don't seem to be able to find out what's going on and things like that. And, you know, it leads me to talk to a lot of people and tell them, look, you know, when we do a roof repair, we do it as a process of elimination. Now, what seems to happen is that some roofers don't seem to be able to get over this situation of what they're actually trying to do. They say, we will guarantee it. You look at even the big boys on the internet who are out there, I'm not going to name them, but if you look at their terms and conditions, they don't guarantee repairs. I mean, anybody, if you think about it, any roofer guaranteeing a repair is really putting himself on the line, because you don't know where it is. You go out there to try and find out, and you examine the roof and you go, this is where I think it's coming from. I will do a repair in this area, and hopefully that will stop it. If it doesn't, we're going to need to come back and try somewhere else. That's why it's called a process of elimination. And unfortunately, they're not articulating that to the customer in writing or on the phone correctly. But that's really what they mean. What they're really saying is that it will not leak from where we do this repair. However, we might not put the repair in the right place. So they come back the next time, and now they're not really making any money because they've been out for the second time, and they try and do something else. But the whole thing's breaking down between the customer and them, and the chances of them coming out the third or the fourth time is unrealistic. As a customer, I think that, you know, this is why I'm doing the video. I think that everybody should be realistic about what's going on. They are trying to locate where that is. We try and follow up our repairs with a report saying, look, we've done this is where we think it's coming from. There could be other areas that, you know, there's a problem here with the parapet walls, or there's a problem here around the skylight. It's an old roof. You should be doing X, Y, Z. We've done the best we can, and that way we're keeping the customer informed. But we won't guarantee any of our repairs. We won't guarantee they'll last on the first or the second attempt, and how long they will last, we just can't tell. We're lucky that we get a huge, I think we're like 90%, 95% of everything that we do lasts quite a long time. But we do have some that are continually coming back, normally from driving rain and things like that. And that's just the nature of the beast. Hopefully this helps people out there to understand what actually roofers are saying about guarantees. Speak soon.